Hello everyone, I am Mark Prada. I am your instructor for Security in the 21st Century course. I do these videos for all my classes at the end of each week and the beginning of each week, so we can kind of review what we covered and look ahead to what we'll be covering in the upcoming week. So week one, I started to grade some of the assignments. I'll continue grading tonight, tomorrow, and I should have everything graded by Monday. So you know where you stand in the class. As I'm looking over, looks like in the discussion, a good start to the class. There's still a few of you that haven't got in yet. And I know that happens these short first weeks of only 4 days. Sometimes you don't start off on the right foot, so that's okay. Let's try and get in there. Same goes for the introductory quiz and the reflection. There's still a few that have to get in, so let's try and get those going. So when we start week two, we're all current in our assignments. So like I said again, I should have everything graded by Monday for you. All right, so on that note, let's look at week two. So we are now in our first full week of class. We're going to start off on the discussion board with about various types of risks. We're going to go over all three types of them. We'll provide examples of them, and then get into the importance of why you need to categorize risk. Please remember in the discussion, you're required to respond to at least 2 other posts each week, and you're also required to be in the discussion for a total of 3 different days. So it's always in your best interest to start early in the discussion of the week and get your responses in the following days. So like I said before, if this means it's starting on a Saturday in the discussion to start your post and your responses, you're not going to be able to attain the maximum amount of points for that area. All right, so we have a second discussion board this week. It is our essential questions discussion. We're going to both be discussing the benefits and the potential drawbacks of private security. We will also go over the cost of using your own private security for your business versus using public law enforcement for your security. So again, since it's a discussion, same things apply. You have to respond to at least 2 other posts and make sure that you're in for 3 different days in this one as well. All right, for your written assignment this week, you have the week 2 risk assignment. This is 10% of your grade, so it's a very important assignment. You're going to choose from one of the articles listed in the assignment from the virtual library. This assignment does require a minimum of 450 words total. So after choosing one of the 2 articles, you're going to answer a series of questions that involve managing risk. All right, then we also have a reflection for week 2. You're going to reflect on the topic of risks that we covered this week. You will think about risks that may either be in your professional, your personal life, or both, and explain how you feel you're exposed to a risk and what you can do about it. So as always, you can always reach out to me through email. If you already have, I get back to those. I try to answer them the same day, if not the next morning. Feel free to also call or text me. I put my cell phone number pretty much on all the announcements and emails, so I'm easily accessible. I can usually respond to those pretty quickly. All right, so good luck to all you in week 2.